In this video, I'm gonna talk about how to give Facebook page access to someone else. So let's get started. So first of all, what you need to do is you have to go to the Google Chrome and make sure that it's signed in on facebook.com. So this is my profile. So what you need, there are two different ways how we can get it. So you might be on your profile some reason for accidentally. If that is the case, you have to click over here at the top on your profile. So there are two reasons that's happening in most cases. Right now, I'm on a business page. I'll demonstrate you detail like this. So if you go back to your profile, this is how it looks like. Now, if you wanted to add this kind of thing, this is what we have to do. The first thing, what you need to do is go over here, click on your profile, and there is an option called See All Profile in which you have to click on this. So that will bring all the pages that is available right now. So what you need to do is you have to go to the page that you wanted to make the change. Once you get into this particular page, you will be taken you to this. Now from here, what you need to do is you have to click on this one over here. So that will take you to this page. Now from here, go to the settings. Now from here, once you get into the settings, if you scroll it down, you can see there is an option called page setup. You have to click on this. Now from here, go to the page access. You have to click on this. Now on the page access, as you can see, if you wanted to add any new member, you have to go to people with Facebook access, go for add new. Now you have to just go for the next. Now search for their email or the username. You can just search for them like this. So you can search someone like this, or you can just search some random name or something. What I'm saying is you can just go for this. Once you find the name, you have to just add them and you have to give the access to them. And also make sure you should not be giving the entire access. It depends on your requirement. If you wanted them to make an admin, you can give the full access. If not, you can just give a partial access. So I'll go over here. I'll search for someone here called Peter Smith. This is one of my friend. So if I wanted to add the Peter Smith here, I have to select this. And now I can give them access. They can manage the content, message and call, community activity and inside everything. But if I wanted to make them an admin, I have to put a check. I have to turn on this. So it will be getting complete access to them. Either they can remove even me from the page, and also they can delete the page as well. Then just go for give access. So they will be getting the access, and this is how you want to do it. And I hope this quick video is helpful. That's it. Bye.